How to unban WhatsApp number if WhatsApp banned your number. So, there will be several reasons why your WhatsApp number has been banned. So, it includes the activity violating WhatsApp terms of services. Other reason might be using the third-party app to access WhatsApp. Sending too many WhatsApp messages or calls at the same time or spamming other users might be your reason why your WhatsApp number has been banned. So if your WhatsApp number is banned, then you won't be able to create account on WhatsApp using that phone number. So in order to fix your issue, you must follow this step in order to fix this problem. The first method is updating your WhatsApp application. For that, you have to open Play Store, and on the search bar you need to search WhatsApp. If you see any update of WhatsApp, you just have to select the update button and update the WhatsApp application to fix different kinds of bugs and issues regarding WhatsApp application. If you have updated your app and your issue has been fixed, then you don't need to follow other methods. But if your issue has not been yet fixed, then you have to go and contact the WhatsApp support team. For that, open any browser of your choice. Then on the search bar or web address bar, you need to search WhatsApp Help Center. On this result page, select Contact WhatsApp. On the first option only, select Contact Us link. Then when you get access on this Contact WhatsApp page, you have to enter your phone number, email address, confirm the email address at the platform you have been using, and describe the issue that you have been facing here on WhatsApp. You can also copy paste that I have written here, that is, "Hi team, I have received the following. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Please help me to fix this problem. Thanks." You can tap on next step and follow the on-screen prompt. After that, you need to submit this request message to WhatsApp, which will help you to fix the issue that you have been facing of banned your phone number on WhatsApp. Then the last thing you can apply to fix your issue, if this also did not work for you, then that is, you can reinstall your WhatsApp application and fix all the glitches regarding the application. So these were the method you can apply in order to fix your issue. So that's it for today. I hope this video worked for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.